mga Iron Man armors. Ganda lang ginagawa nila sa sa mga red paints nila. And also sa lahat ng mga figures, lahat ito very clean na paint job, wala amount of weathering. Then you have the crotch piece, tapos may mga black buttons dito. Sa likod naman you have the spine design here. Tapos very large din tong part na to. Because ito si Jack kasi talaga mas nasa siya, heavy side. Parang brawler type. Meron siyang combat prowess, yung meron din siya mga weapons like Ultra Axe and MAT shoot. Mamaya puntahan natin yung mga accessories niya. Pero meron din siyang rito, mga large hips, large na thighs for balance. Then you have the knee pads. Tapos ganda rin ng ganda ng gawa nila dito sa Ultraman na mga action figures. Actually, we have 3 Ultraman figures to review in a while. So we have segue ko lang din yan, yung mga old Ultraman like Tiga, Decker, meron din tayo. Salamat laruanan. Okay? Meron din mga panel lines and also yung mga small panel lines such as these. Very, very cool. Yung ganda lang ginawa nila dito. So you have the side circular segments here for mobility. I think that's for mobility. Ito rin for mobility rin to sa show. Very faithful sila dun sa design ng Netflix na series. Kasi tinitingnan ko, pinapanood ko yung Netflix na show kung paano sila nagta-transform and ganito yung appearance nila. Very nice hand design. Look at that. May mga segments pa dun sa mga joints. May panel lines din. Dito rin sa kanyang feet. Okay? Articulation naman tayo. Head can look up, down. Hindi na naikot ng 360. Pero look at the neck design. Meron pa siyang black section. Shoulder armor can move out for better articulation. Okay? Meron konting butterfly. Konti lang. Pwede nyo extend yan. Tapos, sa lahat naman ng ZD Toys, pwede yan eh. Okay? Ingat lang sa pag-articulate. Okay? Tapos, meron ding rotation itong part na to sa arms. Double jointed na elbow. Tapos, ball joint yung kamay. You can also extend. Oh, nice. Double extension. Usually, wala na itong part na to eh. Yan. Double extension sa torso, upper torso, and sa waist to do some twists. Okay? Crunch. Stretch and crunch. Tapos, move down yung paa. Pwede mong i-kick. Pwede mong i-rotate itong part na to para mas mataas yung sipa. Something like that. Tapos, double jointed yung knee. Very nice. Tapos, pwede mo ring i-move to, yung ankle protector. And then, ball joint yung paa. Very large feet. Look at that.